How to perform a peel adhesion test. This video will cover the process of performing a peel adhesion test. Peel adhesion tests are a critical step in determining how to coat a roof. 3 adhesion tests are recommended for every 10,000 square feet, especially on parts of the roof that may have experienced varying conditions. This is a simple way to ensure that the coating will adhere to the substrate and can indicate the need for a primer. This gives our contractors confidence going into a bid that they can coat the roof and it will stick. For a peel adhesion test, you will need appropriate coating and primer, a fish scale, a tarp clip, a paint can opener, 2 brushes, 2 mixing sticks, a utility knife, a wet mill gauge, a scrub pad, gloves, safety glasses, and 2 fabric strips. Ensure that the substrate is clean and dry. Apply the recommended primer under one of the test patches to compare the adhesion of primed versus unprimed coating. Allow the primer to fully cure before applying coating. Apply 16 mils of coating in a test patch approximately 4 inches by 8 inches in size. Use a wet mill gauge to ensure the proper amount of coating is applied. Embed approximately 6 inches of the fabric strip into the coating. Wet in the fabric by tapping it in with a brush. Leave at least 3 inches of fabric exposed. Apply an additional 16 wet mils of coating to fully embed the strip and use a wet mill gauge to verify 32 total wet mils. Repeat the process on the unprimed substrate. Allow test areas to cure for 24 hours or longer, depending on coating type and ambient or substrate temperatures. Lightly score along embedded edges of cured and coated portion of strip with a utility knife. Attach a small tarp clip to the fabric to act as a frame for the fish scale to pull against. When checking adhesion, slowly pull fabric strip at a 90-degree angle in a slow and consistent manner. Constantly check readings on the scale while pulling. A minimum of 2 pounds per linear inch is required as a passing result. Once the pull is completed, check the substrate for failure mode. There are 2 failure modes, adhesive and cohesive. With adhesive failure, the test will pull the fabric and coating from the substrate. With cohesive failure, the test will pull the fabric but leave the bottom layer of coating adhered to the substrate. Cohesive failure is preferred.